Or people who have been struggling with writing application letter, gather. Or people who are looking for ideas on how to write an application letter, also gather. Or people who are looking for motivation or job motivation, you also gather here. This application letter I'm going to give you, or I'm going to guide you, has been testified. People are giving testimonies all over the world. Actually, I posted it as a short, but it has almost got 1.6 million views. Just people are giving testimonies, giving a lot of testimonies that this application worked for them. They got jobs successfully. So meaning that what I'm going to give you is 100% sure that you get the job. So if you need to get the job, it's for you. Come and watch this video. But before proceeding with the application letter, you have to note the following. 1. All application letters should be having sender's address. The one who is going to send this application letter, your address, as in put your names, contact address, etc. Date. Yeah. 2. All application letters should be having receiver's address, the one who is going to receive the application, i.e., it can be a general manager, it can be HR manager. Then you put the address or the name of the company or business. So you put their box number, where the company is located, etc. 3. All application letters should be having salutation. Salutation means that you're respecting that person or that company. That person whom you're writing to, you're highly respecting. Dear sir, you can start with dear sir or madam. That is enough. See? 4. Reference. All application letters should be having reference or subject. This is just highlightement. You highlight it. Why are you writing this application? So most of the people or most of application letters start with reapplication for the position of. So you put your position, the position which you're applying for. See? 5. Content. So the content you're going to give in is going to score you some marks of giving you the job. The content you're gonna use. So the content must be high. You have to use seductive words. You have to use attractive words. See? Then, lastly, you have to put your signature. After writing, everything is done. You put your signature, your names down, then even your contacts, if possible. So otherwise, let's start. So you said you start with sender's address, you go on receiver's address, you go on salutation, you go on reference. So let's start. So as I said, that this application letter was posted on my YouTube channel as a short, but it has almost got 1.6 million views, and people are giving testimonies that it worked for them. Reapplication for the position of, then you put the position, then you start. It is with high level of interest that I submit my application for the above mentioned position. Remember, you mentioned it in a reference. Then, paragraph. You talk about work ethics. You say, I am hardworking, flexible, responsible, willing to learn, able to work under minimum supervision, and a law-abiding citizen residing in. So you mention about the place where you're living. So, paragraph. You say, I am well equipped with enough skills and experience, which makes me a right fit for this position. Are you sure? So you go on, you say, I am sure such work ethics are very important to your company. It can be a company, it can be An organization can be any name of the business. Paragraph, then you say, I will greatly appreciate an opportunity to discuss this position in more detail and on matters how I will contribute towards the continued success of so and so company or business. See? Then you conclude by saying, I pray that my application reaches your favorable consideration. Highly waiting for your response with thanks. Then you say, yours sincerely, or you say, yours faithfully. Then you put a signature, your signature, then your names. The application letter is done. So, as I said, I have almost got 1.6 testimonies that this application really worked for them. So, maybe if you try, you will also be among those people giving testimonies. Yeah. So, here is my word to all job seekers that you're looking for a job, but you're failing to apply, or they are bouncing you, they are denying you jobs. Don't give up. So you apply, you reapply, you try again. Then too, you can even look for other companies. There are so many companies out there looking for workers or looking for employees. So don't give up, don't lose hope. May I always say that if I fail today, I will try again tomorrow. So if you fail today, try again tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.